Hey subbies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes. I know I've been gone for like 5 days now. 5 days. But I'm back now. I'm back because I was drained and everything. I don't know. But now I'm pumped up and recharged and everything now, so I'm more energetic now. And so yes, so okay, so welcome back again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes, if you're new to my channel, subscribe. If you haven't yet, if you're not new to this channel, you know what to do, so yes. Okay, so today I'm going to do a reaction, because I'm doing reaction to Gabriel Henrique. He's gonna sing Fidelidade, I don't know, but yes. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video.
Ó Deus de Israel, eu sei que não vim a este mundo pra adorar outro rei. Os leões estão rugindo sem parar, meu louvor incomodou a todos que são contra ti, ó Jeová. A sombra do Onipotente descansará. Direi do Senhor, Ele é o meu Deus, o meu refúgio, a minha fortaleza. Ele me do passarinheiro que da peste perniciosa. Ele me cobre com suas penas e debaixo de suas asas estarei seguro.
Yes, so I see you guys in the next reaction video. Bye.